Hello, everyone. Welcome once again to another episode of how to make passive income through the internet. Today, I'm going to be talking about forex trading. I know a lot of you might have heard about forex trading. Today, I want to tell you that forex trading is one of the biggest, having the biggest market cap aside the cryptocurrency market cap. So, for you all that are interested in working at home and having a free time for your family, your kids, your wife, and whatever siblings you have, I think the best way to go about this is involving yourself in forex trading. Now, a lot of people think forex trading you have to be a technical guru. You need to know the charts. You need to know how the market flows in and out, and what currency you need to invest, and what currency you need to buy and sell, and what time you need to buy and sell. No, I'm going to tell you today that when I started forex trading, I never knew anything about the chart, the bar, the highest level of how to sell and when to buy and when to sell. I never knew exactly what these things are talking about. So what I did is I want to show you the best method on which you can trade forex without you going into a physical or a manual way of trading, which is called the traditional way of trading. Before I go deeply into this topic of today, forex trading, for all of you who are new to forex trading, please, if you are new to my videos, or if this is your first time watching my videos, or this is the first time coming across my Instagram page, please, I want you to click on the follow button. Click on the follow button so you can get an exact information of how I make passive income through the internet. I have a lot of streams of passive income through the internet. I begin to share some of the streams that I've been using for the past few years that has been generating me $500 and above in a month, and at times in week. So I'm going to be sharing it. So if you are coming across my video for the first time, don't fail to click on the follow button on Instagram, or click on the subscribe button on my YouTube channel. I'm going to be posting the QR code for my YouTube channel, for my Instagram, and other social medias that I use to post my videos on how to make legit money on every aspect. I know that most people wants to become financially free. This is the reason why we have this channel, to able to teach a lot of people how to set themselves free from jobs that they don't love, so they can be able to invest in what they love. Okay, so let's go straight to the point. This is a legitimate way of making passive income. I'm going to show you what I have here. This is the chart. Now I am trading forest, and I myself is not doing the job. So I'm going to be telling you about how you can trade forex using both. So most of you might not know what is called forex trading. Listen to me. Forex, you can see this is my account, and you can see my name at the up screen there. My name is Solomon. You can see my screen. These are all this is an app that I have on my mobile phone that helps me to do the calculation, for me to see what I have, what has been done on my account, and what position I have. Now I can show you what I have made for today. You can see from the upper right side, I've already made just for today, and today is not yet over. Like what Jose Mourinho said, the coach of Chelsea, he said it is not over until it is over. Now I just made $1.78. That is just for the period of time during of this video. This is the chat. This is a live account that I'm showing you right now. So I want to tell you something about forex. Most of you might not know what is forex. Now, if you want to know what is forex and forex trading, now and also learning how to trade forex using both, because that is what is the most important thing. So if you want to if you want to trade forex using both, that you yourself will not be doing the forex trading, you will not be involved in any calculations or monitoring the market, I'm going to be showing you a way you can install a bot to trade for you. But every forex trading needs an investment. That is what you have to know. Forex trading need an investment. So if you are interested in forex trading with both, you want both to be trading for you, and a day you can be making a lot of money. Listen, you can write me on my direct. You can write me directly on Instagram, or you can write a comment below on this video that you are interested in forex trading, and I'm going to put you through on how the process goes on. So yeah, the bot has been installed, and it trace it follows the chart and knows when to buy, when to sell. It does all the complex work for you. So let's go to my trading platform. You can see what I have right now. This is my live trading account that I'm showing you right here. You can see my balance now is now 53,210. All these are in dollars. Are you getting it? So you can see the margin between my actual balance and the trading platform. You can see what I'm trading here. I'm trading euro to dollars. I'm trading euros to yen. I'm trading euros to Japanese yen. I'm trading dollars to Canadian dollars, United States dollars to Canadian dollars. So we on this platform, I only have five currencies: the United States dollars, the Canadian dollars, the Japanese yen, the Chinese yen, and a lot of that. This is the CHF currency. You can see what I have right here. I'm going to be telling you that what we see here is minus 0.42. This is just the work of the bot. It knows when to buy. As you can see, the red signals here, it shows you the buying and the trading. The trading that is going on. You can see the blue here. This is the gains that I'm making. And this trading you can see on the red, it doesn't mean that the trade is falling behind. No, there is no way that the bot can trade below the required amount. Every day there is a gain. Every day there is a gain on this platform. I have a gain on daily basis. When I started with $100, but you can see what I have right today. I have about $53,210 in within 2 months. So the bot is very, very accurate, and it doesn't make any mistakes. This bot was formed by group of programmers and well experienced forex traders, and they come to the conclusion of making a very reliable bot that can trade and monitor the market. That is what I'm using right away. So if you're interested in trading forex using bot, I think this is an opportunity for you to make passive income. Now I don't have anything. I just sit and watch how the market goes, and whatever I have here is just giving me positive money. So just right at the comfort of my home, and I have never gotten any loss from my money like what I showed you here. This is the history of what I have made just within some few period of time, which is just for today. This is just for today, which is already $1.78. So you can see the positivity of this. So if you are interested, I urge you to ensure that you click on my follow button, write your comment of your interest. I'll be giving more further videos about this forex trading. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like it, click on the like button and write a comment. Hope to see you in my next video.